Good evening to you all. I am Mendes. I'm a philosopher of the classical school, classical Greek, as a matter of fact. And I've been asked to address you this evening to give you an alternative view on what is happening upon the earth. As you know, there are many changes, and you view these changes from your own perspective. That is the perspective of an incarnate human being. But I would like to give you the viewpoint, the perspective of a disincarnate spirit. And that is what I'm here to do. So, if the earth were a vast ocean, where normally the waves tremble across its surface with little force, except occasionally, and relatively little energy. If that is the norm, then right now the waves would be 20 or 30 meters high, constantly rolling across the surface of this world of yours, carrying with them huge amounts of energy and force, pushing aside all that is in their way and reaching every corner of the world. For that is how we see the energy that is coming to you at present. The unstoppable, constantly moving juggernaut, the bulldozer, that is the energy of ascension. It is the ascension of the planet, and human beings are caught up in it. Yes, you are part of it, a very important part. You are not simply a byproduct, not simply viewers on the side, as it were. This ascension energy is for you as well, for you and the earth are linked, as you well know. But even if you weren't there, this energy would be pouring forth. And there is so much of it for us to watch it inundate the earth, to flow over the earth, through it, in it, and on through all that lives upon the earth, be it animal, mineral, or vegetable. It is truly an amazing thing. It is as if somebody has hit an electric light switch and suddenly the planet is ablaze with energy, full of life, which it very much needs. Yes, you should ponder those words. And you too, to us, are energetic beings. The crude flesh and blood, which is your bodies, and indeed was mine in the past, is really not something that we perceive. For we, as you know, are energetic beings ourselves. And we perceive you in the same way. We see your individual energies. We see your frequency, your vibrational rate. We perceive the colors in many different spectrums that your spirit radiates forth. And we know you by this energy signature. Everybody has their own energy signature. Everybody is different. This much is self-evident. And this is how we identify you. Yes, you have a name. This is true. But it is truly your energy signature, which allows us to know you, to recognize you, and more importantly, to assess you. Do we wish to work with you? Are you ready? Do you have what it takes? I'm pleased to say you all do. Otherwise, you would not be here. Thank you for that. So I think I will draw this to a close. This is really just to give you a somewhat different view of life from the spirit realm and how we view you and the planet and the process that it is going through. I hope you have found this helpful, and I will leave you with my blessings.